Today we're going to be adding suffixes to the end of oo and words. I have our choices written up here. Remember, if you hear oo in the middle of a word, it's almost always going to be oo, but sometimes it's ou. There are a few words that use ou, like soup, group, youth. And oo can also make the sound, like in took. If you hear the oo sound at the end of the word, it's almost always ew or ue. So we're going to spell some words and then add suffixes to them. So if I get the word soupy, like my ice cream was melting and it got all soupy, first I'm going to spell and mark the base word. Soup. This is one of our few words that uses ou. Soup. I'm going to circle my ou. And I'm going to mark the syllable on the base word before I add the suffix because I want to remember that the suffix doesn't get a syllable. And the letter I use to make the E sound at the end is Y. This gets a circle. And when I have a Y suffix, I need to write which sound it's making above it. This one is making a long E sound. Another example, hooked. I hooked up my PlayStation to the TV so I could play it. Base word is hook. It's going to use the oo to make the sound. And then k with a K. I'm going to circle my oo. This is a D syllable. And then you have to remember when I hear the t sound as a suffix, it's not a T, it's ed. And then my ed gets a circle. And when I have an ed suffix, I need to write which sound it's making above it. This one is making t. So you're going to get 4 words that will have a base word that uses oo or and has a suffix. Remember to mark the syllables only on the base words and circle the suffixes. And then I have 1 sentence, just like normal. Your first word that you need to write and mark is drooling. I was drooling as I slept. Drooling. Your second word is hooded. I have a hooded sweatshirt that I like to wear in the fall. Hooded. Your third word is newest. I have the newest bike of anyone on my street. Newest. And your fourth word is clues. The detective had to find all the clues to solve the crime. So once again, your 4 words to write and mark are drooling, hooded, newest, and clues. Now your sentence is, he has cooked all of the different food groups. One more time. He has cooked all of the different food groups. That sentence has 9 words. He has cooked all of the different food groups. The word different was a trick word several units ago, so please look it up in your student notebook if you don't know how to spell different. After that, check all your words in your sentence and turn it in on Seesaw.